What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. A little bit crooked. Okay, so today we have more Crocs. Did you think I wasn't getting these? I got them. So if you're interested in the Justin Bieber Crocs collaboration, then you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes. Let's get it. So here we have the Crocs in collaboration with Justin Bieber and Drew House, or with Drew. Justin Bieber, you know, the Canadian pop superstar, right? He's also a Pisces, and he's what, 26, so like 4 years older than me. Not like 4 years older, he is 4 years older. My favorite Justin Bieber song would be Change Me. Journals, you know, Journals is slept on. Don't sleep on Journals, all right? And Drew House is his unisex clothing line. He co-founded the brand with Ryan Good Christmas of 2018, so it's been around almost 2 years. And Drew is Bieber's middle name, so Justin Drew Bieber. Justin said he wanted to collaborate with Crocs because he loves Crocs and he wears them all the time. So it was fitting to have this collaboration. I'm trying to match, like, you know, I'll get makeup on them. So these Crocs released on October 13th on the Crocs website. They show up on the Drew House, no, the House of Drew website along with the Gibbets, I think, but I don't know if they were released on the website. The House of Drew website does have stickers of these exact Gibbets for I think $12 or maybe $10, but you can get these as stickers, all 8 of the different variations. There is a double Drew, but there are 8 different customized Gibbets, which we'll get into. These are a classic yellow clog. So these are a classic yellow clog. It's like a dandelion yellow. It's like slight orange tones in there. Really cute. These are a men's 8, a women's 10, so they're not my size. These are actually for a friend. So I got them for a friend, and I'm filming with them before said friend gets them. So that's that on that. Do I even want these? I didn't plan on getting these for myself anyway. It's not like, I don't know, Bad Bunny I definitely wanted because it's Bad Bunny and he had the glow-in-the-dark stars from the 90s, and I was like, I need that. The Chinatown Crocs were just cool, and my mom liked them and wears them. These is just they're cute. It's just I didn't need them. Maybe I'll get them in the future, but what can you do? These are $60 like the other Croc collaborations that come out that include the Gibbets, and there are 9 Gibbets but 8 different customized or limited Gibbets. We have the iconic smiley face, the Drew House smiley face, where the mouth is the word Drew instead of a line. That's a smile. So we have a lollipop, a sun, we have Drew here and there, a flower, rainbow, a bear, a donut, and a pizza. I like the bear and the pizza. Those are my favorite. I mean, not the bear, the donut and the pizza. They're like food. And I like Drew. I like the font of his brand, if that means anything to you. So yeah, these are a very simple clog, and the enamel detail here is a classic Croc detail. But yeah, that's it on this shoe. What do you guys think? Bretman Rock is working with Crocs. On what? Can't say, I don't know. When will it come out? Can't say, I don't know. Will I be getting it? I will. I will be getting it. It's Bretman Rock. But yeah, what do you guys think of these Crocs? Were you able to get your hands on them? They did sell out pretty, not, I wouldn't say fast. They did have difficulties with the website. They closed down the queue on the Crocs website and launched again an hour after initial launch time. So they had some issues going on with launch, but I got them. Here they are. And that's all that really matters. And if you're interested in the bag, cute bag. These bags are cute to have. I don't know why I smelled it, but so let me know what you guys think of these Crocs. Did you cop, or will you get in like the resale market? They're not going for as much as Bad Bunny Crocs, more like the Chinatown market prices. So you'll probably be able to get these under 100. Don't quote me on that because I haven't looked at it today. So I think they're cute though. The Gibbets are really, really cute though. I'm not gonna lie, and the stickers for them are really, really cute. They're so cute. That donut, I love it. I love that donut. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Thursday and Sunday. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter. I link all my socials down below. I link my website down below if you're interested in a Jelly's treasure box, which is my very own makeup mystery box. And there is a 500 sub giveaway that will go up and be live once I reach 500 subs. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. And once I get there, I'll tell you all about what I'm giving away, all that jazz. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.